What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change your Shopify theme without losing your content, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So a lot of you have been wondering how to change your Shopify theme without losing your Shopify store contents. Is it possible? Yes. Is it possible entirely? Well, yes and no. There is some content that is suitable for changes after you change your theme, but we're gonna talk about it in a minute. So first of all, how to change your theme? Well, go to online store and select themes. So when you go to your online store, which is over here on the left side, the themes are the first option which pop up. So over here you're having your current theme. As you can see, I'm using a Dawn, which is a default theme when you're a new Shopify user. So we are having a theme library. You can find a new theme over here, or as you can see, I can view popular free themes. If you want to use free themes for your Shopify starts, make sure to browse some of these. So basically, after you went to the themes, scrolling down from there, you'll see a theme library where all of your themes are alive. So all you need to do is, in the theme library, you're viewing your themes. So if you identified and downloaded your new theme, it will be in your theme library. If you're really collector, you can add up to 20 themes in your library. You can customize them, but that is not currently the subject of this. So how to change your current theme? You need to go to the online store and select themes, and go to the theme library as I told you. So basically after it, you need to select the theme you want to switch up to, go to the actions, choose the preview to view if you like the theme, and basically all you need to do is click on the actions again and click publish, and click publish once more. So can you do it without losing content? So yes and no, as I told you. So content that won't be affected by the theme change are navigations, pages, products, collections, and blogs. These elements are part of your store, so not part of the theme, and they will not be lost. So content that can be affected are customizations made in the Shopify theme editor, edits made to theme files, and Shopify apps that change theme codes. So basically those are the three things that can be affecting by you changing your theme. So that's the entirety of the process, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.